Evaluation question 1. As a media package of products, I wanted my ancillary text to support my teaser trailer when produced to work as an effective media promotional campaign. Therefore, when I was producing all 3 tasks at all stages, I was aware of the relations between them, and this affected the process I went through to make sure that the combination of the 3 final products was very effective. One of the most important promotional tools I used was the creation of the own unique typeface for my movie title Run. This could instantly be recognised as relating to specifically my movie trailer because of its bold and unique design. Making the movie name its own brand logo worked as a promotional tool as well as effectively linking all of my products together. It appeared within my trailer, on my movie magazine and on my movie poster as well. Using this Run format brand logo on all 3 of my products was effective not only for linking the combination of the 3 products together, but also for benefiting the individual styles of each. The font and the design was effective on boosting the promotion and the effect of my final poster. It stood out well and looked good on my movie magazine, and it was also really effective when edited into my trailer to have great impact on promoting the film. So it was used great in all 3 of my products. Secondly, the combination of my main product and 2 ancillary texts was effective because of the research I had done into my subgenre and horror genre previous to creating the 3 final products. Initially, I researched the genres overall and I created PowerPoint presentations, mind maps to help me set out the ideas and the research I was doing as a whole, and then I looked into the individual existing movie magazines for horrors, posters, existing trailers of my slasher thriller subgenre horror movie so that I could explicitly research into the details of each. As well as this, I could also see the relation between them as I tried to use similar films that were similar to my own genre, and so I looked across, for those films, the range of medias I was doing for my own, which was the magazine and the poster. By doing this in-depth research, I could pick out the common conventions and the great techniques and ways to work against these conventions also that would benefit my ancillary texts to back up my trailer and promote it and be a good package and campaign altogether to work for my final horror film. I therefore took all this research and information into account when creating my ancillary text and final product on Photoshop and editing suites and Adobe Premiere Pro, to explicitly ensure that the combination of all 3 products was incredibly effective. Another technique to have an effective combination of my ancillary text and main product was to have a continuum of information across all 3, using the same credits, the same character information, the same actress names, directors, promoters, all the stuff that I had decided on before creating these products, but making sure that all this information was the same and included on each. Similarly, I kept this strict relevance with the character profiles and using the same actresses. I made sure that the costume designs and the mise-en-scene was the same for my photographs, for my location and for my filming footage. Once I had established these important similarities between all 3 of my products, I could also look individually at what each one would be used as good for promoting individually for the whole combination of my trailer. So where my trailer would be viewed and to audiences, and the extra information I could include in a magazine, and the snappy caption in the review I could include on my poster, were all individual different bits of information that related to my general film, but that I could put on different things in different parts of each ancillary text and then the trailer separately, so I could understand how the combination as a whole, they worked separately to altogether promote the film in an overall really great way. Overall, I'm really pleased with my 2 ancillary texts and my final media trailer production, as I believe that they work effectively together as a combination of promotional media to work as a campaign that fits the conventions of my genre and directly addresses my target audience effectively.